from an uninhabited island to an independent country. Rising from the Atlantic's depths, Sao Tome and Príncipe were born of ancient volcanic eruptions. Their rugged peaks and lush forests untouched for centuries. Once uninhabited, these islands became home to fishermen drawn by the ocean's abundance. With simple boats and timeless traditions, they wove a culture rooted in harmony with the sea. Today, the islands remain a sanctuary of natural beauty and human resilience, where volcanic landscapes, vibrant fishing villages, and pristine shores invite you to explore a paradise shaped by fire and sustained by water. Praia Grande, one of Sao Tome's most renowned beaches, is celebrated not only for its pristine sands and clear blue waters, also known for its vital role as a nesting site for sea turtles. These gentle creatures have been coming ashore for millennia to lay their eggs in the soft sands, making the beach a key destination for marine life enthusiasts. Witnessing a turtle nesting or watching baby turtles embark on their first journey to the sea is a magical experience. Connecting visitors to the island's natural rhythms and the delicate balance of nature. With its natural beauty, serene atmosphere, and conservation efforts to protect these turtles, Praia Grande embodies the best of Sao Tome's coastal charm and offers a tranquil escape for those seeking to unwind or immerse themselves in the wonders of marine life. Bateria Beach is a hidden gem on Sao Tome, offering an intimate and peaceful atmosphere far from the crowded tourist spots. With its calm waters and lush backdrop, it's a perfect place to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of the island. The beach is less commercialized, which adds to its charm and authenticity. Visitors can enjoy a quiet day of swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing in a hammock by the shore. Bateria Beach is a great choice for those looking to connect with nature in a more tranquil and secluded setting. Santa Catarina Road is a scenic route that winds through Sao Tome's dramatic landscapes, offering some of the best views on the island. As you travel along the road, you'll be treated to sweeping vistas of the coast, dense forests, and volcanic hills. The road is a gateway to the island's interior, where visitors can discover hidden waterfalls, rivers, and wildlife. The journey is as much about the views as it is about the experience of traveling through the heart of Sao Tome's unspoiled nature. Santa Catarina Road is a must for those seeking adventure and natural beauty in equal measure. The Caué River meanders through the lush terrain of Sao Tome, providing a tranquil environment for those seeking to experience the island's untouched nature. The river is surrounded by dense forests and fertile land, home to a variety of plant and animal species. Canoeing or walking along the river's banks offers visitors an opportunity to connect with the island's wildlife, with the sound of rustling leaves and birds singing in the distance. The river's path is a quiet escape, far removed from the more populated areas of the island. It's a peaceful haven for nature enthusiasts and those looking to explore the unspoiled beauty of Sao Tome. Bombom Beach is a peaceful stretch of coastline known for its crystal clear waters and soft golden sands. This quiet beach is ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing while enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds it. The calm waters and sheltered cove make it a favorite among families and those looking for a peaceful retreat. Surrounded by lush greenery and distant hills, Bombom Beach feels like a hidden gem, untouched by the crowds. It is one of Sao Tome's best-kept secrets, offering an authentic experience of the island's stunning coastal scenery. The Malanza River flows through southern Sao Tome, offering a tranquil experience for nature lovers. Its peaceful waters snake through lush mangrove forests, creating a unique ecosystem. Visitors can explore its banks by canoe, gliding silently through the trees, where vibrant birdlife and playful monkeys are frequently spotted. The river is a vital water source for nearby communities, sustaining both wildlife and local people. Whether for quiet reflection or an immersive nature adventure, the Malanza River captures the essence of Sao Tome's pristine environment. Praia Café is a charming beach located near the town of Sao Tome, offering a blend of natural beauty and quiet relaxation. The soft golden sands and clear blue waters make it an ideal spot for swimming or sunbathing. The surrounding tropical trees provide ample shade, allowing visitors to unwind and enjoy the serene atmosphere. This beach is less crowded than others, offering a more intimate connection with the island's coastal environment. A perfect escape from the bustling city. Praia Café invites travelers to soak in its unspoiled charm. Pico Cão Grande, or Big Dog Peak, is one of Sao Tome's most famous landmarks. This towering volcanic spire rises dramatically from the jungle, reaching almost 1,000 meters above sea level. It is a favorite spot for climbers and adventurers, though its sheer vertical cliffs make it a challenging ascent. For those who prefer to admire from afar, the peak offers breathtaking views of the surrounding rainforest and coastline. Pico Cão Grande is an iconic symbol of Sao Tome's volcanic origins, and its beauty continues to captivate visitors who venture to the island's interior. Hidden deep in the Sao Tome rainforest, the Oque Pipi Waterfall is a tranquil and secluded destination. The waterfall cascades down through lush vegetation, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for hiking and exploration. The surrounding area is rich with tropical wildlife, offering a peaceful retreat for nature enthusiasts. Hiking to the waterfall is an adventure in itself, with the dense forest and the sound of rushing water, creating a sense of discovery. Oque Pipi is an ideal spot for those looking to escape into nature and experience the island's untouched beauty. Água Izé is a historic village that once played a significant role in Sao Tome's cocoa industry. The remnants of a colonial cocoa plantation can still be seen, with old buildings and the iconic cocoa dryers scattered throughout the area. The village's name, meaning water of the island, reflects its importance as a water source for the surrounding plantations. Today, Água Izé is a quiet place where visitors can step back in time and learn about the island's colonial past. It offers a fascinating mix of history, agriculture, and natural beauty, providing insight into Sao Tome's agricultural legacy. Santana Beach is a serene and unspoiled beach located on Sao Tome's northern coast. With its soft, powdery sands and clear, turquoise waters, it offers a perfect spot for swimming or lounging in the sun. The beach is framed by lush greenery, making it a picturesque setting for a peaceful retreat. The surrounding fishing villages add an authentic touch, giving visitors a chance to interact with the locals and experience the island's culture. Santana Beach is ideal for travelers seeking a quiet escape with natural beauty and local. Lagoa Azul, or the Blue Lagoon, is a pristine lagoon surrounded by volcanic rock and mangroves. Its crystal clear waters are ideal for snorkeling, revealing vibrant marine life beneath the surface. The lagoon's calm, peaceful atmosphere makes it a perfect escape from the more tourist-heavy areas of the island. Visitors can relax by the water's edge, surrounded by lush vegetation, or enjoy a swim in its warm, inviting waters. Lagoa Azul is a tranquil haven, offering a unique opportunity to connect with nature in one of Sao Tome's most beautiful settings. Praia Emilia Beach, located in Ana Chavez Bay, is a peaceful spot near Sao Tome City, making it an easy retreat from the urban hustle. The beach's gentle waves and golden sands are perfect for leisurely days spent soaking in the sun. It's a quieter alternative to some of the more well-known beaches, offering a sense of seclusion without straying too far from the city. The surrounding tropical landscape adds to the beach's charm, providing a natural escape just moments away from the vibrant life of the capital. Praia Emilia Beach is an ideal location to relax and unwind, blending both natural beauty and convenience. As your journey through Sao Tome and Principe comes to an end, the islands leave an indelible mark on your heart. From the lush rainforests and cascading waterfalls to the golden beaches and the soothing rhythm of the sea, every corner whispers tales of nature's artistry and a rich cultural heritage. The warmth of the local people, their traditions, and their harmonious connection with the land create a lasting impression that makes departure bittersweet. But as you leave this paradise, you're not truly saying goodbye. You're taking with you memories of vibrant landscapes, tranquil moments, and the unique charm of these volcanic jewels. Sao Tome and Principe is more than a destination. It's a timeless experience that calls you to return and explore its magic all over again.